Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Tom.
We are very happy to see you again today.
Yes, thank you for joining us.
We hope you are feeling relaxed and ready to learn.
Sarah, today I feel curious.
Curious? That sounds interesting.
Yes, everywhere I look, I see technology.
Phones, computers, apps, and machines.
And now, everyone is talking about AI.
AI is a very popular word today.
Some people feel excited about it.
Some people feel scared,
And many English learners want to talk about technology and AI.
but they don't know how to explain it in simple English.
They feel the words are too difficult.
Don't worry.
Today, we will make it easy.
Today's topic is how to talk about technology and AI in simple English.
Before we start, we have a small request.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video.
If you need more easy English stories, subscribe to our channel.
Share this video with your friends and family.
Learning English is easier when we learn together.
Tom, let's start with a simple question.
Okay?
What is technology?
Technology is tools and machines that help us.
Yes, technology helps us do things faster and easier.
For example, phones,
Computers,
internet,
smart TVs,
washing machines.
all these are technology.
Technology is part of our daily life.
Let's talk about daily life in technology.
We wake up and check our phone.
We look at messages.
We check the time.
We check the weather.
We use technology at work.
We use technology to study.
Repeat after me. We use technology to relax.
Technology is everywhere. Let's learn some simple sentences about technology. I use my phone every day.
I work on a computer.
I watch videos online.
I use apps to learn English.
Simple sentences are powerful. Now let's talk about devices.
Devices are machines we use.
Phone, laptop.
Tablet, smartwatch.
You can say, I have a smartphone.
I use a laptop for work.
I bought a new tablet.
Sarah, what about the internet?
The internet connects the world.
We use the internet to talk,
To learn, to shop.
to watch movies.
Simple sentences you can use. I use the internet every day.
I search for information online.
Now let's talk about AI.
AI means artificial intelligence.
But don't worry about the big words.
AI means smart machine,
Machines that can think a little.
machines that can learn.
AI helps people.
Let's explain AI in simple English.
AI is technology that works like a human brain.
It can understand words.
It can answer questions.
It can help us make decisions.
AI is not magic.
It is made by people.
We use AI every day.
Sometimes we don't notice it.
Voice assistants,
Maps and navigation,
online recommendations.
chatbots.
You can say, AI helps me learn.
I use AI to make work easier.
AI saves time.
AI helps businesses.
Sarah, do you use AI? Yes, I do. I use AI to organize my work. It helps me save time.
That sounds useful.
Tom, what about you?
I use technology every day. I teach using a computer. I use apps for work. Technology helps me connect with students.
Technology has many benefits.
Benefits mean good things.
Technology saves time.
Technology makes life easier.
Technology connects people.
Technology helps learning.
But technology also has problems.
Yes, not everything is perfect.
Too much screen time.
Less face-to-face talk.
Privacy issues.
Technology addiction.
You can say, technology can be distracting.
Too much screen time is bad.
Balance is important.
Use technology wisely.
Take breaks.
Spend time with people.
Technology should help us.
Sarah, many people worry about jobs.
Yes, they think AI will take jobs.
But AI also creates new jobs.
Technology changes work.
We must learn new skills.
You can say, AI changes the way we work.
AI helps workers.
We need new skills. AI helps education.
Online learning.
Personal lessons.
Practice anytime.
AI helps students learn better. You can say, I learn online.
I use apps to study.
Technology helps my learning.
Technology helps communication.
Video calls. Messages.
Emails. Social media.
We can talk to anyone. Social media is part of technology,
It helps people connect.
but it can waste time.
Use it carefully.
You can say, I use social media.
I try not to use it too much.
Now let's talk about the future.
Technology will grow.
AI will become smarter.
Life will change.
You can say, technology will improve.
AI will help more people. Sarah, how do you see the future?
I think technology will help learning. AI will make education easy. People will learn faster. Tom, what do you think?
I think technology will change jobs, but humans will still be important. We need creativity and kindness.
Some people feel scared of AI.
That is normal,
Change can be scary.
but learning helps.
You can say, I am learning about AI.
I want to understand technology.
Now let's practice personal sentences.
Say something about yourself.
I use technology for work.
I use AI to save time.
I try to use technology wisely. Let's talk about mistakes.
Don't use big words if you are not sure.
Use simple sentences.
Clarity is more important than difficulty.
Pause the video.
Answer these questions.
How do you use technology?
Do you use AI?
How does technology help you?
Let's review today's lesson.
We learned how to talk about technology.
We learned how to talk about AI.
We used simple English.
We talked about daily life, work, and future.
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments, how do you use technology?
What do you think about AI?
Use simple English.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Technology is part of our future.
And English will help you talk about it.
And before we go, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
See you next time. Goodbye.